Hey, welcome back to my channel. We are gonna do 3-minute makeup today. We're gonna do it. I know you don't think I can, but I'm gonna do it because last week I did like 5-6 minutes, but I was talking too much. So I'm going to say hello. I'm gonna say this is your whole face in one palette, easy to travel with, easy to put on every day, gorgeous on mature skin because it's cream. It never dries down, it never gets cakey, it never gets caught in your pores. It's just absolutely beautiful and it looks really pretty at the end of the day still. So I'm gonna put it on real quick. I'm not gonna talk at all. And then at the very end, I'll explain each step and how I did it and how you can get a free color match, totally free. And you could start your whole system. I mean, I think a starter kit's around $100. I don't know about you if you've been to the drugstore lately, but you can barely get anything for $100 at the drugstore anymore. You can definitely not get a full face at a drugstore anymore, unless you're buying just LA Girl or Essence, but those products don't always last as long and they don't have as pretty of a finish. So why not get a high quality, luxury, bougie looking face in a palette, easy to travel with, easy to put on, gorgeous on mature skin, and let's do it in 3 minutes, okay? All right, I am skin prepped and ready to go. Oh, let's get my timer. Okay, I'm gonna set it for 3 minutes and let's see how I do. No talking. Done. 3 minutes. Can we see it? 3 minutes. Okay. So the only thing I wasn't able to do in 3 minutes is check my work, okay? And also let's throw a lip on. This is, I think, is this Black Cherry? Yeah, this is Black Cherry. I'm just putting on a really pretty lip oil, just something easy to throw on in the car. Gives me a little bit of color. Looks pretty with the Dahlia Cheek. Kind of just looks like my lips, but better. Okay, we're gonna check the work now because this is really important. We wanna make sure it's all blended. Okay, you can see that I'm all blended. I have a little bit of bronzer on the eyes for a little bit of dimension without looking like you're wearing any eye makeup, which is why I love it. It does not look like eye makeup. You just wanna go around the whole face and make sure everything is blended and seamless and just looks like skin and not makeup, and so far that is the case. It really helped that I dermaplaned on Saturday night because I got all that fuzz off my face. You might disagree with me, but I find fuzzy faces just are not really pretty with makeup. I think peach fuzz gets in the way of makeup looking really good, of skin looking really glowy. That's just my opinion. You might not want to commit to shaving your face the rest of your life. I might not either. I might one day wake up at 80 and go, who cares? But for right now, I care, and I get a more glowy skin, and your makeup doesn't sit all over the hair, and from the side you can see hair and you can see makeup on the hair, and I don't like that look. So I highly recommend dermaplaning. But here's what I did. So the reason I like the Pilot Brush, especially for summer, is you can travel with it. You have 2 eye brushes inside. This can also be a foundation or blender brush, and this can be foundation and actually blend anything you want. I do like the shape brush for cheeks because it's not packed really dense. It's a little bit, it's in between dense and fluffy, and I just feel like it really puts on color really, really well. And then this looks huge. Look at it, it's like more than half my forehead. But notice how I went to my hand first to make sure it's not concentrated in any one area, and then I go all over my face. And what's great about that is because this fans out so big, it really does mimic the way the sun hits your face rather than really strategic contour. We're not doing contour, we're just warming up the face for a little bit of bronzer, and that's it. And then I went in with the tiniest bit of color corrector, so I have a little bit of peach for the purple and blue right here, and then I did the light peach all out here, and it looks really, really pretty. And then that's on the lips, which looks brighter on camera, but in the mirror it just looks more of like a deepy mauve, like the color of my own lips. I could always go in with a pencil later. Okay, so that's it. I just wanted to show you how fast and easy that is. You can literally do a tiny compact. It doesn't even have to be this big. Let me see. You can literally start with just a little 4-pan, and you could do a foundation, a bronzer, a blush, and then 2 of your color correctors. Amazing. And then this can do everything, especially if you're traveling. I don't know, I just think it's a no-brainer. And I mean, just look at this close up. It's just great. Oh, let's powder. Some of you would be like, hey, I like that, but I need powder. I hear you. So we're gonna take the blend brush, we're gonna go in with Feather Blot. Now why I like Feather Blot is not only does it cut shine, but it blurs pores. So I like it anywhere that I have visible pores, which to me is the sides of my nose where my cheeks are, a little bit right here, and my chin. I might just a little bit back here just so my hair doesn't stick to me. I do like powder in my temples. I don't like a shiny temple. That's just my preference. And now we've got such an, look, see, I still have glow, but the powder cut that sheeny shine, which I know some of you do not like a sheeny shine. So anyway, there we go, ready for the day. Super easy. You saw me do that in 3 minutes. And initially when you're first learning it, it's gonna take a little bit longer, but just know that it can be done in 3 minutes, out the door makeup, really polished. What are you waiting for? Could not be easier, could not be prettier on mature skin. never gets dry or cakey. Looks like skin close up. This is Look Good Close Up makeup. Everyone from the club, the Look Good Close Up club, can attest. This is beautiful makeup even at the end of the day, okay? Get a free color match. I'll see you next week. Bye for now.